The man is here to teach you about life and in housekeeping your computer. In life of housekeeping, go to disk cleanup. In the disk cleanup section, you always go to C, okay. Now inside C, you can see all of these categories, okay. Now, you can see all the description, who or why do you need this, okay. If you want, you can search one by one on what are they and why do you need them. Those questions are all in your hands. Why do you want them or who are they? Now, if you want, you can focus on these two. That is what my opinion. I always focus on these two only. You either delete or not delete by unticking or ticking this, okay? You untick, you're not deleting. I'm ticking it, I'm deleting it, okay? I'm cleaning, I don't clean. I clean, I don't clean. You're a messy boy, you're not a messy boy. So here is this space you gain from here. If I untick, it will change. If I tick, it change. Wow, magic, right? Alright, so that is all. You just press OK and done. It cleans. This mostly save space, okay. So the cleanup system files is more in detail cleaning, where it cleans more than this, okay. So what does it clean? It cleans your system. Your system is Windows Update. This is like, before this I'm only cleaning my stomach, now I'm cleaning your kidneys. So this is Windows Update. Your update files that are stored in your computer. These are all just remnants or junk file. You don't have to worry. This is the Windows error report, like blue screen of death and those errors that make you want to destroy your computer like a madman, like a barbarian. These are all those things. So it's up to you. If you want, it's optional, but you still save more space if you do this, okay. Well, I did cancel, but okay. So you just go to defragment. Now in defragment, this actually does is it organizes your files and folders into systematic order for the system to quickly and easily search your stuff, okay. Other than this is your Internet Explorer, where all of you dirty peoples, alright, have all your stuff here. Just delete this. All would delete all of your search histories on all your videos, okay. Here is where you actually do it. H is where you also can delete, go history, go manage history, and then just clear browsing data. Now here you have to choose your time. If you choose 1 hour, it only deletes an hour, and then you'll be alone forever, so make sure you be careful not to do it, okay. Now the layout over here is almost the same as Google Chrome, so I don't need to show you Google Chrome. This all will save your space, increase performance, and as well clean your computer once a while. So click subscribe if you haven't, click like, go to the end of my video and click the playlist. In the playlist there are all my videos all at the corner at the right side. So thank you all for watching.